What's up guys, it's D bringing you guys another video. In today's video, I'll be cleaning the Eventuri air intake system on my F90 M5. This will be the first time I took them off since I put them on, so I'm expecting them to be pretty dirty. Moving forward, I do plan on cleaning them every time I get an oil change. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so we're going to start by removing the air intake system. You only need a total of 3 tools to get this done. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a 18mm socket, and a pry tool. Couldn't find my pry tool, but I was able to just pull up the little pins that you'll see. All right guys, so here's the filter. It's pretty bad. Yeah, it's really dusty and cruddy, and oh my god, it's doing its job though. So basically, to take the filter out, you need a T15. Go ahead. Oh wow. And literally, there's just screws around it, and you just screw them out. All right guys, so we got one intake out. One filter, not intake. Gosh, I'm dumb. As you can see, it's pretty dusty and cruddy and got a bunch of crap in it. We'll go ahead and take out the other one, and then I'll show you guys how to clean them. All right guys, so now I'm about to show you guys how to clean them. All right, I'm looking at both of them. It's pretty cruddy and nasty looking. Let's see if I can see any of this. Yeah, you can't really see. Yeah, it's pretty bad. All right guys, so after you've knocked off as much debris as you can, you're gonna grab your water hose. You don't want it to be like on a harsh setting or anything. And you're gonna spray from the inside out. And get all up in there. Let's not stand in the path of the water. All right guys, so after you have rinsed them off, you're going to go ahead and get your air filter cleaner. I'm using this one. I have it linked down below. Can't remember where I got it from right now, but go ahead and spray it down. Spray it outside, spray it inside. You want to spray a good amount on it. And you want to let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. And then come back. But you want to get it evenly across, or liberally, as I should say. So just spraying it around. I'm gonna let them soak right there. I'll be back in 10 minutes, guys. All right, guys, so I've let them sit for about 10 minutes. It's actually been like 15. So now what you're gonna do is take your intake. This time I'm only spraying from the inside out. I'm not going to be spraying on the inside, on the outside in, because we're in the cleaning part now. So take it, run it through. All that cleaner out. It's going to take a little bit of time to get it, but don't want to see any suds when you're done. So give them a good shake. All right, and now you have to let them dry. This is the longest part of the process. It'll take a couple hours. You can use a hair dryer to speed up the process, but if you do decide to do that, just make sure it's on cool and low setting. All right, guys, so now that I've let the filters dry, I'm gonna go ahead and oil them up. All right, so I'm gonna start right here with this metal piece right here. And take my oil, same brand, it was a whole little kit, air filter oil. Well, like I said, I'll have it linked down below. After I soak this in, well, not even soak it in, spray it down, I'm gonna let it sit. Give the oil some time to work itself in. All right, guys, so it's time to go ahead and reinstall. We're gonna take the filter, go and place it into the intake. Line the circles up. We're gonna take the cap, line this one up as well. Bada bing, bada boom. I need one screw. Give me a screw. Give me a screw. And of course I put one in where you don't need to. So you want to leave the top 2 spots open for your shroud. Alright, so we're kind of running out of daylight, but we gotta get these things back in. Alright, so you got it right here, intake. You take this right here, your little brace. Slide the brace over. Should be nice and snug. Make sure it's the right side. I think grab the wrong side. Yep. Alright, don't do what I just did. Grab the actual right side. Like, oops, grab the one. Alright, so you're going to gently wiggle the intake in. Even if you see it's in there at the top part, it might not be in at the bottom like mine is. Alright. It's fully secured in there. You're going to take a screwdriver. I like to push on it and turn down the back one. Alright guys, so that is how I cleaned the Eventuri air intake system on my F90 M5. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, definitely leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe for more. It is D, and I'll see you guys in the next video.